Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to adjust your printing settings for your Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. This should be a pretty cool and straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin first by highlighting the area you want to print. So I'm just going to select this area right here, and then I'm going to left click on the File tab up at the top left. Then I'm going to left click on Print. Now underneath the pages you can select your page orientation, so landscape or portrait, and you can see how much of it will fit on the page. So if you're afraid it's not all going to fit, you can select underneath no scaling. You could try and fit sheet on one page, so you could select that. It'll fit more, it might just look a little bit smaller. You can also fit all columns on one page, and you can also fit all rows on one page. So it gives you guys different customizable options here. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to offer you guys some assistance, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.